Greetings, sir. My name is Rituraj, and this is my first CS50 web development project, as the course said me to make it. So in here, I have to take care of standpoints. So the first point was to create 3 pages, and in which the one is responsible for simple Google search, the second is responsible for image search, and the third one is responsible for an advanced search. So here is the first point that I make, and on the second point, I was said to make a Google search in which I will type my prompt or whatever I wanted to search and simply click on Google search to get redirected on the original Google search. So this is the second point that I have created, and as it is also mentioned to design it as the Google is designed, so that it is how it is designed. This is the GIF that I copied from it. And the third point was set to create an Google image search. Here is the Google image search, and we can search images from this search menu, and we can click Google search to get onto the Google image page. And the fourth point is to create a Google advanced search, where we will where it is specified to create 4 input columns, and here it is. So let's say all these were like car, slim, fast, and this exact word and phrase will be like fast car. Any of this word may be car, and none of this word may be airplane. And here is advanced search. That is how advanced search is working. It is working same as the Google advanced search, as it is set to do so. Now getting back, so the fifth point is about the CSS. So it was set to create all on the left side of the page as Google advanced search is made, and so it must be consistent with the Google's advanced search. It was specified that the button is blue with an white text on it, but as I saw it on Google advanced search, it was black, so that's why I copied it. And the sixth point is I am feeling lucky, this button, this search type, where we will directly get into the first link, hyperlink of the search of the prompt car. It is also working perfectly fine, as it work like the Google. And the last point, and which is seventh point, was to design all of this as same as possibly as Google is. So this is how actually the Google ones look like. I copied it completely. Thank you so much, sir.